Hi, welcome to my video on the equation of a horizontal line. The equation of a horizontal line. Let's plot each point and find out what a horizontal line is. A horizontal line will move parallel to the x-axis or perpendicular to the y-axis. So let's plot each point. -1, 2. X is -1 and y is 2 right here. 0, 2. X is 0 right here and y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Starting at 0, 0, x is 1, y is 2. And the point 2, 2. X is 2, y is 2. And if you note, if I draw a line through those 3 points, or sorry, 4 points, there's the line that goes through all of those points and is right on the grid, so it's hard to see. But let me make it heavier. There it is. So 1 point, 2, 3. There's all the points. And it says note, the x coordinates are the x coordinates are -1, 0, 1, and 2. So the x coordinates are different. The y coordinates are the same or different. Notice the y coordinates are 2, 2, 2, 2. So all the y coordinates are the same. It's cutting through the y-axis at 2. The y coordinate is the blank for each point. The y coordinate is the same for each point, or the y coordinate is 2 for each point. You can put either word in there, but let's say the y coordinate is 2 for each point. A line through each point is, the line through each point is horizontal. The slope is rise over run, so the rise is 0, and the run could be 1 or 2 or anything, could be a 2, so the slope is 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. Again, notice the rise over the run. We could go with, if we take these 2 points right here, we could go 2 minus 2, y2 minus y1, all over 0 minus -1. So that's a 0 over, and that's a plus 0. So I could calculate it as, from the graph, as no rise but a run of 1 or 2 or separate, or I can use the slope formula. But the slope of a horizontal line is 0. Okay. The equation of a line through each pair of points. Let's figure out this one now. Let's see. We have a point, -2, 2. X is -2, y is 2. That's that point. X is 1, y is 2. That's that point. So we want to figure out the equation of this line right here. Okay, the slope using those 2 points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So that's y2 is 2, y1 is 2, x2 is 1 minus -2. And that's 2 minus 2 is 0. Double negative is a positive, so that gives me a 3. So the slope is 0. So if I take this slope and I want the equation and I plug it into y equals mx plus b, then I have a y-intercept of 2, as you can see. So y equals slope 0, and the y-intercept is 2. So that's, but notice we got a 0x, so most people won't put the 0x in. They'll just say the slope, the equation of the line is y equals 2. And let's do it with the point slope form. So let's pick the point 1, 2, and we have a slope of 0. So that y minus 2, 0 times x minus 1. Notice when we put in the point slope form, we change the coordinates to the opposites, and that 0 times x minus 1 is 0, so y equals 2. So either way, if you put it into the slope-intercept form, you get y equals 2. If you put it in the point slope form, you get y equals 2. So notice y equals 2 is, notice the y coordinate is 2, so y is 2. No matter what x is, y is always 2 on this line. That's the equation of the horizontal line. Let's try another one. We have a point of negative 1, 3. X is negative 1, 3 right there. And we have at the point 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3 right there. So this is the line moving through those 2 points. Notice the line is horizontal. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And y2 is a 3 minus y1 is a 3. x2 is 2 minus negative 1. So that's 3 minus 3 is 0. Double negative is positive over 3. So we get a slope of 0. 0 over 3 is 0. And again, we plug it into the y equals mx plus form. So notice now that the y-intercept is 3 from the graph. So b equals 3. So the equation y equals mx plus b. The slope is 0. The b is 3. 0x is 0. So we get 3. Oh, let's put the 0 in first. 0 times x is 0, and 0 plus 3 is 3. Or we could use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m outside of x minus x1. And let's use the point 2, 3, and the slope is 0. So y minus 3, 0 outside of x minus 2. Y minus 3. 0 times any number is 0, so y equals 3. Again, I could have used the other point of negative 1, 3 for this point, and I still would have ended up. And the equation of a horizontal line through the point xy. So a horizontal line has a slope of 0. So if the slope is 0, y equals mx plus b. So if it goes through, if the slope is 0, 0x plus b, and so y equals 0 plus b, so y equals b. So the equation is y equals b, or b is the y-intercept. Or we could say, also keep in mind that y equals, the equation of a horizontal line is y equals the y coordinate of the point. It's the y coordinate of the point. Y equals b, or the y coordinate of the point. Equation of any horizontal line is y equals b, or y equals the y coordinate point. Examples. Find the equation of the horizontal line through a point. So if we have the point 3, 4, x is 3, 1, 2, 3, y is 4 right there. So that horizontal line cuts through, there's the horizontal line. So this equation is y equals 4. Y equals the y coordinate is cutting at 4. Y is the same on that line, x is change. Negative 1, 2 is right there. So there's the horizontal line. So the equation of this horizontal line is y equals 2. It's the y coordinate point or the y intercept. And 2, oh, I got a little bit high there, got up to a 3, so that should be right there. Apologize for that. Going through at 2, 1, 2. And this is the coordinate of 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3 right there. This one is 1, 2, 3. This one is better. And so the horizontal line here, the equation is y equals 3. The horizontal line is the y equals b, the y-intercept or the y coordinate of the point. Okay, let's continue. Practice means pause the video and work these questions out. See if you're right. Practice. Find the equation of the horizontal line through each point. So we have a point of negative 3, 2. X is negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, right there. So the horizontal line goes on through like that. There's the horizontal line. And the equation is y equals b. Y equals the y coordinate of the point. The y coordinate of the point, or if you draw the line, it's the y-intercept. Y is 2 everywhere on this line. Number 2, the point 4, 1. Plot the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There's the point 4, 1. And there's the horizontal line through that point. And the equation is y equals b, y equals 1. The y coordinate of the point. Horizontal line, repeat, has all y coordinates the same. So the equation is y equals the y coordinate. Negative 2, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, about right there, let's say. So there's the horizontal line. And it's y equals b, or y equals 4, the y coordinate of the point. Repeat, all points have the same y coordinate, but the x's are changing as you go left to right or right to left. 2, negative 3, x is 2, y is negative 3 right here. The horizontal line is right there. And you notice the y-intercept is negative 3. So the equation is y equals b, or y equals negative 3. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. The equation of a horizontal line is y equals b, or y equals the y coordinate of the point. The y coordinate. And just the y equals mx plus b is the slope y-intercept form. So if your slope is 0, 0x plus b, so that's 0x is 0. So again, the equation of a horizontal line is y equals b, or the y coordinate. If you like my video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because there are more videos coming your way. Write a comment on my video if you wish. And visit my math website at www.mathfullyexplained.com. and there you'll get 3 sections. The me section talks about my degrees and teaching experience. The section in video talks about the teaching strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the content section on my YouTube talks about the YouTube channel topics that I have on my YouTube channel, plus the number of videos on each of those topics. And what's in black font is online right now, and what's in red font will be online in the near future. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.